At a risk of being cliche, I want to say that I think it's at the heart of all these discussions is the realization that we're all part of a system. The trees that are there converting carbon dioxide to oxygen are part of your lung in a way. If you look at the function that you need the oxygen to convert it to carbon dioxide and so on. So it's this realization, whether it's water going through the rivers, being processed, put back into your system and back out of your system, and what is coming out and what is going in. It's the recognition that we are all part of a large system and we all have impact on each other today and on our future generations tomorrow.
My mission, that's the reason why I'm a professor, because there are not sufficient possibilities to educate people in thinking so broadly and holistically, and to do the connections and to use the data and to set up decisions and take decisions that have this complex picture. The technology is there, and it also, the finance is there. So if you do it wisely, it's not the costs and it's not the technology to save the climate, and it's not the social aspect that people cannot afford housing anymore, because in Germany, like everything, the costs are rising. So we have to keep it low to afford housing, but it can all be done. And it's really, like Rob says, it's also, you have to know how, and you have to convince the people, and the people have to understand that they have to move. And it's not something like German angst that you cannot do it, you can. So that's something we need to push more forward.
At the end of the day, I just think the principles of asset management, when applied, will inherently foster sustainable decisions, sustainable practices. I think they are a vital support to any organization who's looking to be more sustainable in their impact. And one of my favorite takeaways, Annette, was your drawing the distinction that sustainability is outward focused and other focused. When we think about only ourselves, we make selfish decisions, and that's in all realms. So when we are other focused, whether it's my neighbor or our future generations, we can make better decisions.